हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू वेदीफाई। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और होस्ट पहेली। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड गेट एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी एक्टिविटी ऑन द सेम चैनल वेदीफाई। सो विदाउट एनी वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट आज का चैप्टर।
Take some camphor, crush it and put it in a china dish. Put an inverted funnel over the china dish. Now put a cotton plug here on the stem of the funnel. Now heat slowly and observe. So camphor has ammonium chloride in it. When ammonium chloride is heated, it directly changes from solid to gaseous state. And this process is called as sublimation. When it cools, it turns back into solid ammonium chloride. So, from this activity, we conclude that a change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called sublimation. And the direct change of gas to solid without changing into liquid is called deposition. So in this activity, the camphor vapor is deposited on cotton plug. The cotton plug temperature is low. Camphor vapor is converted back into the solid state. So the camphor is observed on the cotton plug. So this direct change of gas to solid without changing into liquid is called deposition. Can we change the states of matter into each other without changing the temperature? Yes, we have one more method to change it, and that is change in pressure. So we know that in solids, particles are very close to each other, and in liquid they are far. But if we put pressure on liquid particles, can we bring them closer? Yes, we can. So that means by putting pressure, we can change the states of matter. The solid is nothing but it is a compressed liquid. Likewise, the liquid is nothing but it is the compressed gas. So by applying pressure, particles of matter can be brought close together. For example, this is a cylinder and gas is filled in this cylinder. If we apply a piston over it and put pressure on it, the particles will get closer and they will convert it into liquid state. If we put more pressure on this piston, what will happen? The particles will come very close to each other. So the state of matter is converted into solid. That means applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gases. Just like solid carbon dioxide, it is stored under high pressure. Solid CO2 gets converted directly into gaseous state on decrease of pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. This is the reason that solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. That means the dry ice is stored under high pressure. That means if high pressure is applied on CO2, it is converted into solid carbon dioxide. But when we open the dry CO2 cylinder, the pressure is decreased to 1 atmosphere. So the solid CO2 is converted back into gas CO2 without coming into liquid state. Thus, we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of a substance, whether it will be a solid, liquid or gas. Next is evaporation. There are so many examples from everyday life where change of state from liquid to vapor takes place without the liquid reaching the boiling point. For example, when water is left uncovered, slowly changes into vapor. For example, जब हम गर्मियों में कपड़े सुखाते हैं, तब टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री हो या 40 डिग्री हो, तब भी हमारे कपड़े थोड़ी देर बाद सूख जाते हैं। यानी वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, बट 35-40 डिग्री पे भी क्यों? और सर्दियों में तो टेम्परेचर बहुत लो होता है, तब भी कपड़े कैसे सूख जाते हैं? कैसे वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है जबकि 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर मिला ही नहीं अभी तक? और अगर हम एक बोल में पानी रख देते हैं तो वो भी थोड़े दिन में गायब हो जाएगा, जबकि टेम्परेचर तो सेम है, वो बढ़ा ही नहीं, ना टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस हुआ। So this process is known as evaporation. This phenomena of change of liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. But what is the reason behind evaporation? We know that particles of matter are always moving and are never at rest. But why they are moving? Because they have kinetic energy. And the kinetic energy of solids, liquids and gases are very different. In the case of liquids, a small fraction of particles at the surface having higher kinetic energy. So it is able to break away from the forces of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor. तो ये जो सबसे ऊपर वाली लेयर है लिक्विड की, दिस गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू वेपर। अब इसके बाद जो दूसरी लेयर आ गई वो टॉप पे आ गई, अब ये भी वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अब ये लेयर हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है। ऐसे करते करते पूरा पानी ही वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और पूरा पानी सूख जाएगा। सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच अफेक्ट्स इवेपोरेशन? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट विद एन एक्टिविटी।